How to copy LinkedIn profile link. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open up LinkedIn application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Now once you're logged in, you'll find this kind of interface. Now from here, simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. And once you tap on it, simply tap on your username. And once you're in your profile section, simply tap on the three dot beside add section. Now you'll find different options here. You want to go ahead and tap on contact info. Now once you do that, your profile link will be available in this page. Now go ahead and tap on the profile link of your and then simply tap on copy. And just like so, you'll then be able to copy your LinkedIn profile link. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.